Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Statistics for data science. In this part, we will discuss the most widely used Mayer's tendency median. Following topics will be covered in this video. What is median? Its application, how to calculate a median, characteristics of median, examples, and finally Python implementation. So, what is median? A median is the middle value in a given set of sorted data, which divides the data into two equal parts. Median provides better representation of the middle value in the data set, especially when there are outliers or skewed distribution. In such situation, it gives accurate picture of the data set. Median has different applications in real life. For example, in economics and finance, it's often used to report a country wealth or income. Median is a better representation of the income distribution. As median consider middle value only, so we can use median to calculate the median income to avoid the distortion from extreme values. Here is a data sample data which in which median is 1600 and mean is 1500. So median 1600 means that half of the population income is below 1600 and half of population income is above 1600. Here is a skew data. Uh, mean median is still 1600 but means change to 2614 because mean is sensitive to outliers and this is skewed data which contains extreme values. In real estate, it is useful metric for buyers, investor and property managers because it gives the middle value. So here is prices of houses. Median price is 3000 where mean price is 6300. For such data, the most appropriate measure of the tendency is the median because uh, median are not affected by the extreme values. In public health, uh, median helps in understanding the age distribution of population. It also helps in evaluating the efficiency of treatment by measuring the median number of days median number of days stay in uh, COVID, for example. If median age is 35, it means that half of the population age is below 35 and half of the population age is above 35 years. In education, we can use the median to calculate the median test score, exam scores. If, for example, score is 75, so it means that half of the students scored below 75 and half of the students scored above 75. How to calculate a median? Uh, the first step is to calculate the median to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Then if n is odd, then we will take the value at n plus 1 divided to its position. So here n is 9, so this position, fifth position. The median is at fifth position. This is the middle value. So median is 11. If n is even, then there will be two middle values at position n divided by 2 and at position n divided by 2 plus 1. So this here n is equal to 10. So the middle values are at position 5 and 6. So we will take the average of value at fifth and sixth position. So which is 11 and 13 and median is at 12. Characteristics not affected by the extreme values because it consider middle value only which makes it more reliable measure for skewed distribution. Here is if we replace the 20 with 200, median will be still 15, and if we replace the 10 with 1, so median is 15. So in such when the distribution is skewed, then this is the more appropriate measure of center tendency. Best for skewed distribution. So if the data is like this one, so we will use the median. The median is 18. Uh, does not consider all data points. Unlike arithmetic mean, it does not consider all data points because it considers only the middle values. And we can apply the median on ordinal data also. Uh, if n is odd, so then we will there will be single middle value. After arranging the data, we will take the middle value. In this case, 11 is the middle value, so median is 11, n is 9. Uh, if we replace the value, for example, 15 with the 20, so still median will be equal to 11 because median consider only the middle values. If n is even, then there will be two middle values. So in this case, 11 and 13 are two middle values. So we'll take the average of 11 and 13. Python implementation. So here we will calculate the uh, median using the Python. So it is very easy to calculate the median using the Python. So in here we will use the uh, statistics module of the Python. For example, we have scores of students 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 5 students with the following score. Now, from statistics, import median. Now, median is equal to median and scores. Our data is student scores. Now, print the median. So, we will get the 7. 7 is the middle value. Similarly, if we add another value, so even now number of n is even, so still we can use the same median function to calculate 7 fund. And in using the statistic method, there is no need to arrange the data uh, before using this function. So it will automatically arrange the data in sort the data before using the 6.5.